Welcome to the final video of Lesson 10. You now know what generalization is and why it's so critical for clinical success. Today, we're shifting from the what to the how. We'll cover 4 primary strategies you can use in every session to ensure skills travel beyond the therapy room. Programming for generalization isn't something that happens at the end of a program. It's something we build in from the very first trial. Let's look at our first strategy, the variety of the tools we use. Strategy 1. Vary the materials. If you always use the same set of picture cards when teaching colors, the client may learn to respond specifically to those cards, rather than the concept of the color itself. To avoid this, use a wide variety of objects. Teach red using a red pen, a red block, and a red ball. This ensures the learner focuses on the relevant feature, not the item. Strategy 2. Vary the people. It's easy for a client to become prompt dependent on a single instructor. To combat this, we train the skill with multiple therapists. We also involve the family early in the process and, when possible, include school staff. The goal is to make performance with unfamiliar people more likely and more natural. Strategy 3. Vary the setting. A skill practiced only at the therapy table is only being tested in one very specific context. We need to move the teaching into the natural environment. Take that communication skill from the table to the kitchen, the classroom, or the playground. When the setting changes but the skill stays strong, you know you're seeing true generalization. Finally, strategy 4. Use natural reinforcers whenever possible. While tokens and stickers are great for early acquisition, they don't exist everywhere. The more the reinforcement resembles what would happen in real life, like getting the juice you asked for, the more likely the skill is to persist long after the structured sessions have ended. Generalization planning involves more than just what you do in your sessions. It requires constant coordination with families, teachers, and other providers. We aren't just teaching a learner. We're building a supportive environment that rewards their new skills everywhere they go. The client's real-world functioning depends on this intentional planning. Always bring your supervisor into the conversation to discuss how these strategies are being applied. With that, Lesson 10 is complete. You've mastered the foundations of ensuring long-term, generalized behavioral change. In our next module, we'll dive into the functions of behavior and why people do what they do. It's a fascinating and essential part of your RBT journey. Head to your assignment now. I'll see you in Lesson 11. Great work.